Feel like your day slips away without much getting done? It's time to change that. Discover 5 unique, proven tips to transform your productivity from home. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, try the 3-2-1 method. Work in 3 focused blocks for your major tasks, then switch to 2 shorter sessions for secondary tasks. Finish up with 1 extended break to recharge. This approach helps you harness your peak productivity periods and maintain energy throughout the day. Tip 2, time boxing. Allocate fixed time slots to each task rather than working until completion. Use a timer to stay on track. This technique not only helps you manage your time effectively but also prevents you from getting bogged down in perfectionism. Tip 3, use the anchor task strategy. Choose one major task that anchors your day. Everything else revolves around this task. This strategy provides clear focus and ensures that you make meaningful progress regardless of the day's chaos. Tip 4, implement a micro-reward system. Reward yourself with small treats throughout the day, whether it's a snack, a brief walk, or a quick chat with friends. These rewards keep motivation high and make working through tasks feel more enjoyable. Tip 4, let's talk about the power of rituals. Without dedicated workspaces, establishing daily rituals can be a game changer. Start your day with a consistent routine, like a specific morning beverage or a quick stretching session. Implement small rituals before and after key tasks to signal transitions. These habits not only boost focus but also create a structured flow to your day, making it easier to stay productive even in a less structured environment. If these tips inspired you, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell for more unique productivity hacks. Thanks for watching, and let's make every day count.